going on, people? I'm on 10 toes again. Today's video, got the bike up on the paddock stand. What we're gonna do is we'll try and fit this RNG fork slider system through here and into the other side. Crash protection is a must on any bike. I never had it on the first bike, but definitely know for this one, we're gonna need it. She's heavy as hell. Now I'm gonna have to end up doing this one-handed because I've got no assistant today. I've never had one actually, so get that out. RNG, come on, designer crash protection. Apparently one side goes in on the left and one goes in on the right. I need to figure out which one's which. This piece is gonna come off, plastic, just to protect the bar. I'm also gonna need to read these instructions. And that's just fallen out. Some stickers, fitting instructions, QR code. That's all they give you. We'll figure it out in a second. This isn't actually going to be that hard. Basically, you take one end off, which is there on the floor. This slides through the fork, just like that. And then we put this on the other end and lock it up together, and it'll look like that from the right. After a lot of messing around and 2 ratchets, and I needed 2 people, but I never had 2 people, we finally fitted the RNG fork sliders for crash protection. It looks good, if I do say so myself. I'm officially a bike mechanic. Actually, let's show you from the profile. So if the bike does ever go sideways, hopefully it won't ever. At least we can protect the forks. And I don't know if it's all-in suspension, but the Brembos, all of that good stuff on the side. We've officially fitted those. Let me show you. I have 1,000,004 accessories that I've ordered for this bike. So in the 2 weeks I've been MIA, that's come. There's like 6 or 7 different things in there. That is also there. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do this bit by bit. There's a lot to do, so I'm gonna bring you along on the journey. But in the meantime and between time, we fitted this RNG. Then what we're gonna do eventually at some stage, we're gonna put some frame sliders on, added onto the bike. So thanks for joining me. I know this was a quick one, but that's one mod down. I've got the quad lock phone thing that I added that you saw in the other video. That's that there. That you can also have portrait or landscape. I've got landscape because it allows me to see the screen when you're actually using the bike. Whereas if I had this the other way, it'd block off half of that. Right, that's that done. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.